Hi there. In this video, you'll be learning how to edit sent message on Telegram. There are times whereby you send messages or a message on Telegram and you find out that there are certain details you'd like to add. There are certain details you would like to re-edit or delete without deleting the old text. In this video, we'll be guiding you through how to edit sent messages on Telegram. So what you need to do, you need to ensure that your Telegram app is up to date. If your Telegram app is not up to date, what you need to do is to head straight to your App Store. If you are using an iOS device, you want to head straight to Apple Store, and you want to head straight to Apple Store. And if you are using an Android device, you want to head straight to Play Store, confirming that your Telegram app is up to date. What you need to do now is to head straight into the Telegram app itself, and in the Telegram app, you want to head straight for the message or the text you want to edit. So I'm just going to do a very quick sample. So I'm going to send a text now. Hi everyone. So I'm sending this. So after sending this text, I realized that that I'd like to add more details and it's sent already, and I don't want to put in a new message. So what I just need to do, what you need to do if this is the case, all right, or anything similar, what you need to do is just to you need to highlight this. Then after highlighting that, and how do you get to highlight? You want to do a long press, like a hold, and for about 5 seconds. Then it highlights automatically, and you find the pencil icon on the top page, right there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Then you click on the pencil icon. Then it says edit message. So you want to just add to it. Hi everyone, I am new here, happy to be here. Okay, happy to be here, and you can send that, and automatically the message is edited. So thank you very much everyone. I believe you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Bye for now.